Do you love eating eggs? Many people do, but have you ever wondered what happens when you eat them daily? In this video, we'll explore the incredible changes that can occur when you include one egg in your diet every day. First, let's talk about nutrition. An egg is a biological goldmine. Eating one daily provides your body with essential amino acids, rare vitamins, and healthy fats. It's a compact package of vitality that enhances your overall health. Now, let's dive into the benefits of daily egg consumption. The first benefit is enhanced brain function. Eggs are rich in choline, crucial for memory and nerve communication. This aids cognitive flexibility and supports brain health. Next, eggs protect your eyesight. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that filter harmful blue light and reduce oxidative stress in the eyes. Eating eggs daily helps improve vision and may lower the risk of age-related eye diseases. Another key benefit is muscle health. The protein in eggs is of high biological value, meaning your body can easily convert it into the proteins it needs. This aids muscle maintenance, speeds up recovery, and keeps you feeling full longer. Finally, let's address cholesterol myths. Modern research shows that dietary cholesterol from eggs can actually improve your cardiovascular health. It prompts your body to optimize its cholesterol production, leading to healthier blood vessel function. To sum up, eating one egg daily offers a multitude of benefits, from enhanced brain function and improved eyesight to better muscle health and heart health. If you want to learn more about the surprising effects of daily dietary choices, subscribe and check out our linked video below. Take a moment to add an egg to your daily routine and experience the positive change.